Today, we're diving into the world of culinary convenience with the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 pressure cooker, a versatile kitchen powerhouse that combines 10 essential cooking functions in one sleek, black 6-quart device. Whether you're pressure cooking to save time and lock in flavor, or slow cooking for those traditional recipes, this Instant Pot has you covered with customizable cooking programs and 28 program settings perfect for a variety of meals. Plus, with 5 programmable settings, you can easily save your favorite recipes for quick access. Safety is a top priority with over 11 proven features, including overheat protection and a safe locking lid, along with a gentle steam release switch that reduces noise and prevents countertop splashes. Perfect for larger families or meal prepping, this cooker can handle meals for up to 8 people, and it comes with handy accessories like an extra sealing ring and a stainless steel steamer rack with handles. For those looking to speed up the steam release process, it's also compatible with the optional quick cool tray, sold separately. Elevate your cooking game and enjoy the convenience and versatility of the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.